I've never seen anyone quite like this man. His name is Jack, a humble craftsman in his 40s. He picked up a shovel with determination, digging a muddy trench, widening and smoothing it to perfection. It was all about precision, straight lines on both sides and a level bottom. The trench stretched far. Only when I saw the end did I understand true expertise lies in simplicity. The trench excavation was complete, but the real challenge was just beginning. Next, Jack carefully placed a steel wireframe in the bottom groove. 2 white steel wires connected the trench's sides, securing the foundation. Their purpose? To anchor the upper and lower ends. Ingenious. He inserted vertical steel wires, locking them in place. Steady. Then, he added transverse steel wires across the middle, carefully tying each with thin wire. Piece by piece, he constructed an intricate crisscross steel framework. Yet this was only part of the structure. Jack moved to a smaller trench beside it. Using the same method, he connected it seamlessly, joining it with the main frame. With his skilled hands, the work progressed quickly. He split the trench in 2, right before my eyes. A masterpiece was taking shape. The steel skeleton stood tall, solid, and impressive. At this point, can you guess what Jack was building? Next, he brought in 2 types of templates, one flat and one triangular. He used them to shield the frame. Between every 2 triangles, he carefully placed banana tree trunks. These trunks played a critical role in the design. Once all the shields were in place, he reinforced everything with wooden boards. It was finally ready for the cement pour. Given the intricate structure, Jack poured the cement meticulously, ensuring every gap was filled perfectly even. He worked until the cement was flush with the board's height. A solid foundation was in place. When the formwork was removed, it revealed a bridge spanning the banks. A magnificent structure indeed. What emerged was a spectacular concrete structure. Jack carefully removed the buried tree trunks. This left behind evenly spaced gaps in the cement wall. Ventilation windows. Next, he scaled the walls on both sides, using steel pipes and wooden boards to reinforce the structure. He bent excess steel wires into shape, connecting long steel wires to form a skeleton. Then he poured cement over the framework, thus completing the top of the walls. A wider bridge deck now took shape. The main structure of this ambitious project was now complete. There was just one final piece of the puzzle remaining. On the far side of the wall, Jack began constructing towering 4-ton columns. He left 2 windows between each column. To ensure durability, he covered everything with an additional layer of cement. At this stage, anyone watching could see what Jack was creating. Yes, it was a majestic water conservation dam. Jack's goal was to provide his village with sustainable irrigation and a solution to their water management challenges. When everything was ready, he installed metal gates between each column. These gates were equipped with electric lifts for controlled water flow. The dam could store water for irrigation. When the gates opened, you could witness a roaring torrent of water rushing out from 6 windows, flowing powerfully through the channels. It resembled a herd of galloping horses. Truly a spectacular sight. The dam effectively managed upstream and downstream flow, greatly enhancing water efficiency for the village. When the villagers saw the completed dam, they erupted in cheers. They couldn't help but admire Jack's exquisite craftsmanship and innovative vision. So, what do you think of this incredible dam built with bare hands? How many thumbs up does Jack deserve? Thanks for watching. Got questions or suggestions for our next video? Drop them in the comments.